Who's this? They got matchas and waffles.
Speculoos waffle.
Got 2 ladies for my flight.
Really?
Are you serious?
Oui, mon cœur, je prends juste une photo, j'arrive.
I mean, we can go anyway.
And we just came across the Waffle Factory.
Was Waffle House on your list?
Yes. Sorry, what is that?
Oh my god. Kendra, what show is that?
You rub it for good luck.
Probably for good luck. I don't know about that. We've acquired our Belgian waffles from the Waffle Factory.
Cheers.
I could have made that.
I kind of like the waffle just by itself, though, too.
Yes. Thick. I hope it's fun.
I hope it's fun.